Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the anniversary Tavern Brawl number 25. My name is Draco Quadraconis and I'll be your host for today. Since Tavern Brawl came out about half a year ago on June the 17th, many were excited about the new game mode which took its place on the fourth and final space on the main menu screen. From then on, every week featured another crazy mechanic to work with to defeat your opponent, or even work together with him. We saw big fights between legends of World of Warcraft, a gigantic nest of spiders, magic duels and summoning competitions, randomness far beyond any comprehension, and even a fight of 2 versus 1 against one of the toughest minions Hearthstone ever had. Now, on December 2nd, 2015, we have reached the 25th week of Tavern Brawl, and in comes decks assemble. So, how does this work? Well, it's a little complex. You get a starting hand, which cannot be mulliganed. You discover a random card, either neutral or matching your chosen class, and add it to your hand. Each time you play a card, except the coin, a copy of it will be shuffled into your deck. And lastly, at the end of each turn, the player's hand will be shuffled back into the deck, and 4 new cards are drawn. Now, the trick in this Tavern Brawl is that you have to focus on the current turn, since you cannot predict what cards you'll have next turn, since they get replaced every time. It's also important that you watch what you play, since you essentially double that card, meaning there's a higher chance that you'll be able to play the card again, making another copy of it. Essentially, this provides infinite cards and a chosen variety based on what you actually play. Now, for my part, I'll play as a paladin today, and the paladin might not have hard removal, but strong control effects as well as healing abilities, coupled with the hero power to have a constant base for buffs and overflow mana. Repeatedly playing such cards allow me to sustain longer and slowly overwhelm my opponent as he staggers to fight against strengthened minions of mine with weakened ones of his own, at least if the RNG is with me. Let's delve right into it and see what I've got. And the opponent's captain is a rogue. Yes, I know I have pronounced it wrongly in the past, but I just learned now. So it is Paladin against Rogue. This might get interesting because with his weapon he has to run into something himself. Mimiron's head won't bring me much because I am not sure if I ever will be able to get the max. This one gets charged with a weapon, but I'm not sure to get a weapon either, so I guess I just take the King Guardian thing. So, let's see if he runs into the one chicken with his knife, or if he does something else. So no blade yet. Practical counter to me. Of course the pirate, extremely efficient against the rogue with all its blades. But I won't play it yet. Not yet. Let's see, one chicken here. buff the one chicken here a little bit up. Yeah, and yet again we have to rely on the card we get next turn with Discover. Or I can just keep on pushing up my chicken, which is already 2-2.
So viele Möglichkeiten.
Even if I could play the King's Guardian, wouldn't bring me much because I still have full life. So another question is, will he equip a weapon, if if yes, what he'll run into my Silverhand recruit, or if he's going to kill my buffed chicken.
Lass mich bald entscheiden.
Seems like the time limit is a little bit decreased. Oh, a strong taunt minion. We absolutely take the Murloc Knight. It's more or less obligation to take that. Then we start to weaken his taunt because we have to somehow get behind it. And now we start working with the hero ability. The hero power. Oh dear. Well, that's fine by me. And there we have the hero ability. Or we take... So either we take heal, or we take the taunt he has. Well, I got other heals too, so I guess I take the taunt. And we buff it a little. Not that it comes to any bad ideas. Alright, next turn I will have 5 mana crystals. So basically I can Murloc Knight, coin, hero power. I guess that will work. He's just keeping sure he survives behind a wall of taunt. He doesn't attack. This would be counterproductive. This one's strong, but summons a 3/3 for him. This one, on the other hand, just improves my minions. So I guess I take this. Now let's see. And we get which minion? The Murloc baby. Ah, how cute. Well, Murloc is Murloc, better than nothing. We can repeat it next turn. Yet he won't really be able to break through my taunt. And if then just so. So I guess my Murloc Knight is safe for now.
Eure Magie wird euch nicht retten.
Okay. Ich nehme gerade auf.
bald entscheiden. So viele Möglichkeiten.
Excuse me for that, my father just told me something. Too late. No, not too late. Okay. Yes, definitely this one. Well, let's buff it up.
In den Kampf!
Ooh, we got the secret for the next turn and the Murloc Knight. Well, it depends. Either I play the Murloc Knight in combination with the hero ability and the secret, or I play the Taunt minion. Because I'm not sure if my Mogo Shan Guardian survives this turn.
Viele Möglichkeiten.
On the other hand, it might do some pressure. He gets one too. He draw it again. Actually, that's not... Okay, now I have to attack with my own taunt. Yeah, I have to sacrifice my own.
Man muss sich bald entscheiden.
Okay. Now let's see, what do I get? Oh yes, definitely the Defender of Argus.
Melde mich zum Dienst.
And which Murloc do we get? We'll leave it like that. Okay, we got another raid leader. We got another pirate against his weapons. And each surviving minion of me gets a buff.
Eure Magie wird euch nicht retten.
And he again silences it.
Pandaria wird uns gehören.
And another of these taunts. And of course he runs his chicken into it. Yet, my 4 minions get a buff. Oh, that's some nasty taunt. You know what? I'll take it. Now, 5 and 3, I think that is perfect. Now let's see. Oh, I have to break through this too. Well, no problem, we got this and this. Hit this minion with this, destroy him with this. Play the taunts, buff the minions with the raid leader, and next turn. Ooh, and the Defender of Argus. Might as well use that on the 2 Murlocs I currently have on my board. Since the Murloc Knight is silenced anyway.
Ich frage mich, ob...
I can also use it as a buffed taunt. In combination with the raid leader, they have increased attack anyway. Oh, well. one of my minions is away. But that's okay.
Pandaria wird uns gehören.
This is not the slightest problem for me.
Ich muss mich bald entscheiden.
Well, it all depends on what I draw for next turn. Well, perfect. That fits into my plan anyway. Yes, I can play some things with the dwarf. So let's see.
Soll eine Waffe sein?
Dwarf makes damage
Ich übernehme das.
to this.
Schnell und stark.
This one attacks directly. Then we play the Argus Defender. Face, face. Now we have two.
Melde mich zum
Summon
Dienst.
another minion, use another coin. Save the raid leader against possible spells of my opponent. And that's it for this turn. Now let's see, I have 3 strong taunts. I got a raid leader that buffs my entire team. Yes, I'd say my opponent is pretty much defeated. Because he only has a chicken. And the wicked blade. A wicked knife. That's 2 damage. He can't get rid of even one of my
Eure Magie
taunts.
wird euch nicht retten.
Okay, wise decision to take the buff away from my minions, but yet I still have enough damage on the board and even enough taunts to not only survive but also to kill him. My 2 Murlocs alone can kill him.
Ich gebe auf.
Gut gespielt.
Well, that's it. That's my win for this week. I hope you enjoyed. And yes, so thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. Let's get me back to the title screen. And I still have plans for many more videos, also in other games like Skyrim and Battlefield 4, but I can't really predict when I'm done with that. But if you want the newest updates from me, please check out my Facebook page, which is linked in the description, and also consider to subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. Of course, if you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up and share it with your friends and families and enemies and whatever. And if you have any suggestions or anything, just put them down in the comments below. But before I end this episode, let's see what I have in my pack, because the last time I had Ysera in it, I think. Well, let's open it and hope for the best. Well, 2 epics, that is not too bad.
Selten. Golden und episch.
A golden epic kidnapper. Alright.
Episch.
And what do we have here? Preparation. Yes, a very useful spell for me. So yes, again, thank you for tuning in. And we'll see each other the next time. This is Draco, and we'll hear each other the next time. Bye. And the enemy team captain is a druid. 2 chickens, 2 coins. And the health buff.
Zeit wartet auf niemand. Ich frage mich,
Ah, don't tell me he is AFK. No, he's not. He's hovering over one card. If the time runs out, he gets the first of these three. If I'm not mistaken.
ich frage mich, ob
Well done. This might be a card for... I don't know, should I take the card that deals damage or the one that heals me? Actually, I'm tempted to take the one that heals me. But it's all about mass, so I guess I'd take the Foe Reaper, even though I won't be able to play it this turn.
Bitte ein.
Roll.
die
Chicken,
Zeit
2
wartet auf
coins. And a blade. Definitely this one. Some coins for the deck. That I have some
Zeit
more
wartet auf
mana.
niemanden.
Come on, finally choose a card. Or do you want a free win for me? Well, to play with this turn, I take this one.
Geladen und entsichert.
Ich gebe mich geschlagen.
Well, that happens if you lose your mind and time. I wanted to say that happens when you lose your time. But yeah, that's my card pack.
Your time is up. Just in time.